Hey my YouTube guys, it's Pink Vanshika. So today I'm going to do a clean girl makeup tutorial and I've been thinking to do this for a while now. So yeah, let's get video started. Here's my moisturizer, then my sunscreen. I just came out of shower, that's why my hairs are so wet right now. And now I'm going to use my concealer, just a little bit, 4 to 5 dots here and here. I accidentally forgot to do my contour, but yes, do it before only. I'm gonna use a little bit of contour because it's a clean girl makeup look, so we just need a little bit of makeup. Eyebrows are really important, so just don't forget to do that. For the eyebrows, I'm going to take a little bit of foundation of my Skin Match and I'm going to make this. So let's go in with some neutral brown eyeshadow. I'm going to dab it on my eyes. Now I'm going to do my eyelashes. Afterwards, I'm going in with the Vaseline, then the mascara, now the nose contour. I'm just going to use a little bit of brown powder and just going to make the lines. Now I'm going to do the highlighter and I'm going to use this shimmer white kind of highlighter on my nose. Not too much because it's clean girl, but I love highlighter. It's completely optional. It's your choice to use it or not. My inner corners, you can see like it's very less, the highlighter part. And now I'm going to use this peach blush. I don't have actually peach blush, so I'm just going to use my eyeshadow as blush. I always use this. So guys, I didn't use any eyeliner because I'm just too afraid to use it on clean girl makeup look, because then it will become a real makeup tutorial, I guess. But yeah, some people do use eyeliner, so I'm going to use eyeliner, just making a small wing. Now I'm going to use my lip gloss, and that is completely matte. And afterwards I'm going to use my lip liner because I cannot go without lip liner like this. And look at the lips, guys, it is looking flawless. And where is my Vaseline? And as for shine, I'm going to use the Vaseline. So guys, I have completed my makeup and my hairs as well. I have dried them, so this is how my look is looking. I hope you liked the video and I hope you like the look as well. So give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new latest videos. Bye guys, have a nice day.